To create users, first log into the PBX and go to the Users menu item to open the Users module. The module has three tabs: User Editor, where we add individual users to the PBX account; User Chart, which displays an organizational chart of users; and User Import. Here we can import multiple users from a CSV file instead of creating them individually in the PBX. This is useful if you have a large organization. Many companies using the PBX, like ours, are small, and so we will add users individually. Go to the User Editor tab. Here we can see the company branch and company division structure has already been created. No hunt groups have been created. This will be dealt with in a different tutorial. Before creating and adding users to your PBX, it's a good idea to plan everything beforehand. Create a table of users, their branch and division, their branch prefix number, and what their extension will be. This will make filling in the user editor quicker and error-free. Here we have a table of the users we wish to add, with exactly this information. To add a new user, go to the appropriate branch and click the Create New icon. The user editor has four collapsible panels: General, Credentials, Extensions, and Structure. Go to the General panel and fill in the first name and last name of the user. You can choose an avatar for a user if you wish. In the Credentials panel, fill in the login and password of the user and the user's email address. The Generate button creates a login or a password automatically. Please use the Generate button only for a new password generation. You can set how long an incoming call rings before it is picked up or redirected. The Extensions panel is where we create user extensions. If no extension is added, the user is not able to receive incoming calls, but can still call others. A user can have several extensions assigned if required. We will assign one extension number to our user. Click on the Create New icon and input the extension number. In the Structure panel, we assign a user to a company branch and division. Our user is in the Birmingham branch and in the directorate. Now click on the Save icon at the top of the user editor. Our user has been created and saved. Once this has been done, we can assign a caller ID. This will be displayed to the person called. It can be a username, a telephone number, or a nickname. If left blank, then the user login is used as the caller ID. To notify the user about his new account details, please use the Send Email button. The email template can only be changed by the PBX administrator. Click on the Send Email button. The user will receive an email with his account login details and his branch prefix and his extension number. Click on the Save button. We have now created one user in the Birmingham branch with an extension number. Now let's create other users in the Birmingham branch and then the other branches, Manchester and London. Now all of our users have been added to the PBX. We can look at them by branch. Here are the Birmingham branch, and the London branch, and the Manchester branch. We can also view an organizational chart of our PBX with our three branches and the users in each branch.